Les's Vortex is the first no-budget tornado hunt in history.
We are literally without a budget of any kind. We have no Doppler radar, no satellite weather tracking systems, no kind of computer at all. We couldn't even afford to get Sirius radio in our car.
Would we rather have had a budget? Yes. Did we try to get one? Of course. Did we fail? 100%. But ask ourselves this. Was this a priceless lesson in who our real friends are? You bet it was.
You know what, Andy? I think that even without money, Les's Vortex is going to make history.
Goddamn right. I'm so pumped up. I want to get up there right now. Let's go.
Whoa, hey ho, whoa. Cool your jets, okay? Tornado chasing takes a lot of preparation.
It sure does, Martha. So we better get back to basics.
Right.
Guys? Excuse me, could you stop? No, could you stop for a second? Martha, please.
I just got
emails. It's fine if you film in here, but I said you can't touch any of our stuff. Sorry, just, if you could leave that. No. It's fine to film, but please don't touch anything. Sorry, thank you.
A lot of people don't realize how much actual running is involved in storm chasing.
Unfortunately, tornadoes don't give a hoot about your schedule. If you want to hunt tornadoes, you've got to be ready to head out the door at the drop of a hat. You know, studies show that 83% of tornadoes strike while you're eating.
That's why this eat and run training is so important.
All right, let's go.
Whoa, we got one. 42 seconds. No good. We just missed an F5 twister.
Damn.
Let's go again until we get it right. After hours of practice, we finally got our eat and run drill down to a respectable time. Next stop, Tornado Alley.
Tornado Allison, or Tornado Alley as Andy calls her, is our patent-pending tornado simulator.
Alley comes as close as possible to duplicating the speed and unpredictability of the North American tornado. Activate the simulator. Here we go.
Here we go.
Nice. Way to track it. Whoa. Wait. It's slowing down. Wait, something's happening. It's changing directions.
Oh my god.
It's changing directions.
Oh my god.
Back.
Oh my god.
Back. More. Go. Keep going. Still coming. Whoa, wait. It's slowing down.
What's going on?
What the? Oh, shit. We got sisters.
On the next, The Great Tornado Search. Tempers flare and accusations fly over equipment malfunctions.
Martha, get ready to be really happy because I took our last $50 and scored us a GPS.
That's a fucking atlas.
It's GPS. Shows you where to go. GPS. $50.